welcome back to my channel. How you all doing? Right, today I thought we could all do with a bit of a giggle, and I decided to do the no mirror makeup challenge. So as you can see behind me, I've got a mirror there and a mirror there. They're normally sitting in front of me so I can see what I'm doing. Obviously they are going to stay behind me the entire time, so there's no cheating going on. I have got a little viewfinder on my camera, but honestly as soon as I take these goggles off I can't see a thing anyway. So let's jump into this and see how it turns out. Right, okay, let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is use the primer. This is the Smashbox Photo Finish Smooth and Blur. Oh, I really like the smell of this, but do you know what it is? I think it's because it smells a bit like petrol. I know, that's not really something you should be wanting to put on your face, but that's what it reminds me of. And I just like the smell of petrol. Okay, so now the primer is done, I'm going to go ahead and use my foundation. I use Estee Lauder. This is in shade 1N0 Porcelain. Looks about right. It feels so weird. A bit more on this side of my face. Go across the eyeballs. Third one's a charm. How are we looking? Good? Surely I'm done by now. I think I've touched every part of my face now with this blender. So that should mean we're ready for the next stage. I'm now going to put some eyebrows on, and I use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Melt Proof Brow Kit. And that's what that looks like. Oh my god, I don't even know where to start. That one, and then we go down here. Not about right. And then just top me on the brow. Like that. And I'll fill that bit in. How's that? Give it a little bit of a flick up. What I tend to do at the front, give it a flick. This is so hard. Oh. So what have we got? We got sisters? Are they second cousins removed? I feel like I might have pulled that off, you know? So I am now going to do some contouring. I'm going to use the Revolution Ultra Cream Contour, and it does have a mirror, but so you know I'm not cheating. I'm going to do this and hope that that's the one I want. I feel like it's going well so far. Yep. Yep, I reckon that's about right. Go along here. And a bit more to go down your nose. And then I have a little rounded bit. And a bit underneath. I'm going to take a little tart brush here and blend. Well, I don't know if I've blended it out or whether I've taken the whole thing off. So what I'm going to do, just to make sure, is I'm going to go over the top with some powder contour as well. This is the NYX Highlight and Contour Pro palette. That's what that one looks like. Let's pop that on. Okay, done. Next up, I'm going to use my highlighter, and I use the Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Fair, and I use my beauty blender. How are we looking? Sexy. Okay, so I might as well go whole hog and put eyeshadow on as well. So I'm going to use Huda Beauty's New Nude palette, that one there. And again, it has a mirror attached to it, so I'm sort of going to do it like this. I'll do it like that. Look, so you can see that I can't see the mirror. I'm going to go in with Play, this one here. Let's put it up here, I suppose. So I'm putting it in the crease, and I'm just doing my best to sort of blend all across. Okay, so I think I'm done with that shade. So I am going to go in with, what's this one over here? Teddy. It's like a little bit darker. Let's take that one. And this one I'm just going to pop right into the socket. Give that a blend. I might put one of these shimmers just on my lid. Be a bit risky, you know, for someone who ain't got a mirror. Let's just take the shade, what's that called? Crave. Take that one there. I'm just going to pop it on with my finger. And please do excuse my fingers, they are horrible at the moment. Because my nails got so long, and obviously all the nail bars are shut, I had to take my nails off myself. And then where I get anxiety and I panic, I like pick at my skin. And I don't even realise I'm doing it. I'm just sitting there so anxious that that's what I'm doing. And that's why my hands look like this. But it'll all be over soon, won't it? I'm going to bring it into the inner corner as well. And hopefully that'll look quite nice there. Okay, so I'm going to put some mascara on before I apply my falsies. And this is the Too Faced Better Than Sex. Oh God. Oh. Oh my God, this is so hard. Oh. Oh, I'm sure that just touched my face. I've got a black mark there now. I'm going to put some lashes on, and I'm going to wear these ones. I'm sorry, I have no idea what make or brand they are. They have literally nothing on the box at all. They're literally just like that. But this is the style. Oh my God, I'm going to lose an eye. Oh, oh God. How's that? Is that on? Can't even tell if it's on. No, I shouldn't be able to see it, should I? How's that? Is that it? Oh, hold on, this bit's not sticking down. Is it on? I've done it? Ooh. Okay, I reckon that could be right. Okay, let's go with a bit of blusher, and I'm going to take the NARS. Yeah, NARS Orgasm. You can see I'm not looking. Surely that's got to be right. Can't really go much wrong with this one, can I? This is my Ofra highlighter. It is the Nikki Tutorials collab, and I love it. It's called Glazed Donut. So I'll go here. Here. Tip of my nose. Oh, on my lips, top of my lips. Okay, and then I tend to put it just below the brow bone. There. And there. And I put it just in the corner here for a bit of a pop. Right, so the last thing left is lips. Now, I tried to pick a colour, as you can see, and then I thought to myself, well, it don't really matter because I can't remember what I've got on my eyes. So instead of doing a boring nude, I thought I would do something else. And I haven't tried this one yet. It is NYX Soft Matte Metallic Lip Cream in the shade Copenhagen. So I thought, you know what, this one's as good as any. Okay. Smells nice. Feels nice as well. Okay, right, so I think this is it. Let's get the mirror and see what the damage is. I don't even want to look. Right, okay. Let's just see. Oh my god, look at them eyebrows! Whoa, that was really, oh my god, look at it, it's all up here. Look at these! Oh, I thought I touched my face with it. I'll give you a close-up, look. What? My eyelashes are not even stuck down. Oh no. Okay, it's a bit of a disaster, but you know what? The oh god, look how much highlight I've used there. Oh, they'll be able to see me from space. Okay. Oh, lips. Look at the lips. Look, all this stuff going on. Okay, well, it's the eyelashes. Look at the eyebrows. Oh man, do you know what? This is harder than it looks. It really, really is hard, but that is, oh, you can look at my pores. Like, see all my pores around here where I haven't pushed the product in enough. That is, look, I've completely missed up here. I haven't got no foundation on that bit. My eyelashes on by the skin of their teeth. They're literally like hanging on for dear life. But you know what? I quite like the lip colour. Okay, well, this is how we turned out. It's hard, but it's fun. And you know what? I think we all need to have a bit of a giggle at the moment. So thank you so much. If you've made it this far, if you've been interested enough to get this far, then thank you so much for watching. And I hope to see you guys on my next tutorial. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button for me. It helps my channel out a lot. And I will see you guys on my next tutorial. Mwah!